Talofa lava. My name is Kavika, but you can call me Dave.
Hey, I'm Desmond, aka Big D, the rapper.
Malole soifua manuia. O loo ingoa o Ioane, Mātaio, Reko, Luka, Leanganga Paia, Leota.
Hi, I'm Tali.
Okay, so I'm Alofa. I'm a preschool teacher and I like to travel, mostly to Samoa.
Oh, yeah? I'm actually headed there at the end of the year.
Same. I'm going in like December. Whereabouts are you staying?
My mum's family. Not too sure or know anything about her family, but she is from the village of Lufi.
Oh my gosh, same. That's my mum village. Hey, I'm going for a family reunion.
Hang on. I'm going there for my family reunion. Your
Sefo family reunion?
My grandparents are Sina and Eseta.
No, they're my grandparents. So that means we're like cousins.
Do you know what? Between me and you, I'm still down if you're down.
So what do you do for a living?
Songa. Ko money mo mo na manifesto.
How old are you?
I'm old enough.
Moipi, how old are you?
I'm 25.
25 where?
Simti.
I ain't trying to catch a case. Jesus, take the wheel. On you go. Go on, young'un. Go, children of the corn. Go.
Le te mai o le langi. O te le fia nofo to atasi. Ai o te lafua I atu I ate oe le swafa sirisiri esi o Yesu. Whawhetai I le atua.
Excuse me. Is this who you taking?
Yeah, I'm leaving anyway. Just have the seat.
Do you mind if I join you? I could just have a couple of minutes of your time.
Yes. Hi. I'm Alofa.
You have a cute smile, Alpha. Romeo. Nice to meet you. You look like you're about to get it.
No.
Yeah?
No, just got here. Just right now.
Food's no good, yo. You keen to get a feed instead?
Oh my gosh, yes. Yes.
Yo, we're going to my car. I know a place.
Darling.
Oh, crazy. Alofa, these are my beautiful sisters.
Talofa. I'm Keke, short for Glace Keke.
My name is Mariah, short for Mariah Carey. And I'm Miracle, short for Speaks for Itself.
Sisters.
Sissy Boo. Surely you know, being Samoan, that when you date a Samoan, you date all of his sisters.
Yes, and we are the apple of Romy's eye. Period, that part.
Do you bring your sisters with you everywhere? Because that's not normal.
What did you say to my
You
brother?
can stay away from our
If
brother.
you put your paws on our brothers, on him.
Oh, no. I mean, yes. Of course. Let's all go.
You don't mind if they come along, eh? Say, that's not weird.
Okay.
But wait, we have some questions we'd like to ask. Do you have your citizenship? What church do you go to?
Can you cook?
What size Benty do you wear? What's your village?
Do you have children?
Can you sing? Who are your parents?
Are you a virgin?
Ke lofa Samoa. What's your blood type?
Do you support Te Tiriti o Waitangi?
Would you do a police check? How many exes do you have?